Hi, my name is Linda Tiber, and I'm your 2023 winner for this fantastic prize. It was quite the shock, I will say, but it's been a whirlwind and it's been fun, and I'm looking forward to spending all this money on the house and all my upgrades. It'll be great. My brother suggested that I call you. He had worked with you before, so he said we'll give him a call and see what they have to say. So that's what I did. And then Michael showed up and did a few quotes and I'm trying to figure out what to do when. And I've been working with the company since 2020. So I did a project at a time, and that's where we are today. And then this happened. Yahoo! Well, I've got the front done, so I'm working on the back door and a couple of windows upstairs that I want to finish a room. And hopefully, if I have enough money, I want to do the front windows right there. And there's big and there's a lot of them, but that should, hopefully there's enough for that. I always try to go for Canadian made. And the fact that it was, manufactured here, it's all good news for us. Michael and Travis put it in. Well, Michael was the sales and Travis came and put it in, and he is amazing. He can do anything. I love him. He's great. And one of the times he brought his daughter and did the sliding glass door at the back too. So there's, he's been here a few times. I think 3 times altogether. And he did a fantastic job. Very respectful, and he is certainly welcome back to the next episode.
Do you want to be a winner? Enter now for your chance to win our 2024 sweepstakes. Call or click today at lifestyleproducts.ca.